Sanibonani, molweni, dumelang, lotshani. Good day and goeiedag. Welcome to our South African Embassy in Finland, Helsinki. And this is Hlengiwe Dubazane, your girl in the kitchen. And happy Heritage Month. So today I'm in your screens because I would like to share with you our best recipe for chakalaka. Chakalaka is our relish that we eat with anything in South Africa. First, you need a carrot. Carrots you need to have big size so that it's easy to create and to peel. So it makes it easy, makes your job easy. You need chilies as well. These chilies, don't be scared. No, don't be scared. They're not sting at all. They don't sting your tongue at all. They are not chili. It's just the color. I chose them for the color because I've been trying to get the chili ones. I haven't succeeded, but I'll keep on trying. Don't worry, I'll keep on trying. And with these colors, also I have my green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. So to make sure that the color pops in your relish, because you don't want it to be boring, just orange, because orange, you know, orange will take the most color. So you don't want it to be just orange. You want the other colors to pop as well in your pot. So also we're going to need a yellow onion, a red onion, garlic. Always cook with garlic. I love garlic. And baked beans in tomato sauce in a tin. So our spices, what I did with our spices, since we are in Finland and we have good relations with Finland, I did my spices in a way that I include Finland and South Africa in these spices. So this chakalaka will be Finnish and South African together. So here I put a Finnish spice which is called Hlengiwe from Santa Marina brand. So I put that one, and I also put chicken spice from Robertson's, South Africa. Told you. And the second one, I put black pepper and mixed herb. Black pepper is from Finland and mixed herb is from Robertson's as well, South Africa. And this one, I put cayenne pepper and turmeric. Turmeric, Finland. Cayenne pepper, South Africa. Didn't I tell you? Okay. Anyway, as we are continuing, I'm gonna put my garlic here. Once I've crushed it, I crush my garlic here. I like to crush my garlic here, not because I don't like the new technology, the new stuff that they made for garlic crushing, but I like it because for me it's therapeutic. I just love crushing it myself, not a machine grinding it. I love crushing it. It gives me that sense of Africa, as you can see, wooden Africa. We are going to use olive oil for our oil. Even if you can put more, you're not worried because it's also healthy for you. So I like using olive oil because of that. So what we're going to do, we're going to grate our carrots after we peel them. We grate them on this side. This is how this is the side that you want to grate your carrots from. Not too small, this is the side that you want to grate your carrots from. You need your chopping board and your knife, your sharp knife. Don't cut your fingers, careful, but I won't because I'm used to this. So your chopping board and your knife, sharp knife. You don't need a knife that will make you stressed and you end up being angry while you're cooking. And you also need your medium-sized pot. So this is what we're going to use, our wooden spoon, because it doesn't scratch the pots, it doesn't break your carrots, it doesn't break your beans. So perfect for stirring with. Let me tell you something about cooking. Cooking, it's about having love for it, because if you don't love what you're doing, it won't taste as good as you want it to taste. So my mother used to tell me that whatever you cook, have love for it, so that it comes out with that extra special ingredient, love. So from where I am right now, We are going to chop our veggies, but first we're going to wash them. Wash all your veggies, all of them. You peel the onion, wash it. Your carrots, you wash before you peel. Your green peppers, red peppers, you wash them, because hygiene is the very most important thing that we need to take care of ourselves these days. Make sure you wash your hands, you wash your veggies. Your place is clean where you're making your veggies. Hello, welcome back. As we told you that we are going to chop our veggies. Now we've chopped our veggies. And don't mind my dancing. This is how we cook in our South African kitchen. There's always music. There's always nice vibes, nice moves, so that your food also has good moves and good vibes. So please come closer, Vina, so that we can show them the finished product of all our veggies cooked, chopped. We have carrots, baked beans. We opened it, we didn't chop it. We opened the tin. Our spices, as you know, garlic, crushed from our wooden crusher. Red pepper, our chilies, I put with the peppers, and onion. So you want to put your veggies as you will put them in the pot, so that you don't do mistakes. You know, sometimes you can be so concentrating in the pot and put something wrong. So as you can see, I put onions first. That means this goes first, like that. It follows like that. So it's easy and it's flowing. So we are going to start now. Put our pot on the stove and put our stove on 7. We won't put it all the way to 9. We'll put it just on 7 and put our oil. As I told you earlier, that with the olive oil, you can put as much as you can. So see, I'm just finishing my olive oil there. But yes, you want your oil to be nice and a bit hot. You cannot put your onions in the warm oil. You will need it to be hot, so that the onion and oil has some reaction. And if you see, if you put a little bit, you can see that your oil is now, it is enough. So we're gonna put our onions. And you want your onions to be like in every part of the pot. So yeah, make sure that they are well put on the pot. You see, nice and translucent. You see, now your onions, they are translucent a little bit, like they are clear, like they're trying to be clear and stuff like that. So you can add now your garlic. I like adding garlic before peppers, so that it also, I need all those flavors that the garlic will produce. Oh, the color. I told you, color popping, please, Vina. So that the color, you can see the color inside. Oh, look at this. Because now we put our peppers, and you know it produces a lot of water, so you want to go up a bit on your stove, so that the water is not there for a long time. It burns a little bit faster, so that you don't have soggy peppers before you put garlic, your carrots and spices. So yes. Nice. See? Chakalaka is cooked, guys. The chakalaka is almost ready. Almost ready. Ooh, telling you, I can't wait. Final touch. Final touch. This is what you do. Oh, I'm telling you. You know? So. Oh. Guys, your chakalaka, your chakalaka. Rina, please show them. Show them, Vina. Look at that. Then, you know what you do? You lower your heat all the way to 3. Lower your heat to 3 and you simmer now your pot. You simmer your pot for 2 minutes, then you switch off the stove completely, but don't take your pot out of the stove yet. No matter where you go, remember the road that will lead you home. Welcome. Now we want to see the product, the finished product. We said off the stove after 5 minutes. So now it's been off and the chakalaka has been here for 5 minutes. Now we want to see if oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, so juicy. Please, karibu, welcome. So I made a little bit of pap so that I will also eat with my pap. As I told you that you can eat it with anything. If you have bread at home, you can eat with bread. If you want rice, you can eat with rice. You can eat it with tortillas. You can put with everything, like with anything. So now I'm gonna taste, guys. Woo! Can't wait. So I'm gonna put my pap. Little bit of pap. Guys. Look at that. Out of this world.